Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Fal.ai. So as you can see, I'm on the home screen right now. You just want to go to the search bar and search Fal.ai. But right now I'm going to show you the pricing and a few things about this platform. Fast, reliable and cost efficient. As you can see, there's a few different model names. You can use Kling 1.6 Pro Video, Alibaba One Video, Flux.1, Stable Diffusion, Stable Video, and Minimax Video. As you can see, it has the price of the video per image, per megapixel, and so on. But I am going to use Kling 1.6 Pro Video just to show you how to go ahead and use it. So now you want to go back to the home screen and click Explore. And here is, right here you can find everything that you need. Whatever you want to do, like if you want to do motion, or you want to do images, or you want to do flux, whatever, it should be in the category section here. I'm going to do image to video, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to find Kling, and here it is right here. So now to use Kling 1.6, you need to have a photo and you need to have a prompt. So I'm going to add a photo right now. I'm going to make this car here drive away. I'm just going to do it really simple prompt. Make this car drive away. And right here you can go additional settings and you can change the duration, but I'm going to do 5 seconds, but if you want a longer video you can do 10. Aspect ratio, whatever aspect ratio, so if you want it for a YouTube video or a Instagram reel, that's totally up to you. I'm going to do 1916 here. You can do a negative prompt. I never do it, but if you start getting very bad generations, you can go ahead and change the negative prompt. They'll make it 10 times better. And I don't mess around with this, but yeah, apparently it makes it stick to the original prompt. So if you want to do that, you can do it, but I've never had a problem with that. So now I'm just going to click run, and it costs, as you can see, it costs 95 per second. I already have money in here, as you can see. You just need to top up. It's pretty simple to top up. You can use PayPal, you can add your card, depending on what you have, you just put it in there. And now it's going to take 6 minutes. As you can see right here, it says in progress, and this generation takes approximately 6 minutes. And if you want to, you can look at the logs, but there's no logs here. Alright, so now we have the video. Let's see how it goes. Yep. It's taken off, but it's taken off the wrong way, but it's still done the prompt. But see, if you wanted to make it more detailed, you'd have to either go to ChatGPT and put the image in there and tell it to make you a prompt for image to video, or you could just make it up yourself. But yeah, this is an example. I'm going to show you another video that I can make. So you want to go to explore again and image to video, and now I'm going to try a different one. We'll try the one effects maybe. Yeah, let's try this one. So now I'm going to use that. Let's see if it will make a hand cutting the car and making a cake. Or as you can see, you can change them here. You can do cakeify, Hulk, baby, inflate, squish. I'm going to do the cakeify one. And now you can change here. I have no clue what to change here, but you can change the aspect ratio if you want to make it for IG. And now I'm going to click run. So this one takes approximately 1 minute. So you just need to wait. It takes a while, some of them, but some of them are quicker than others. But as you can see for this one, you can see the logs. So this one shouldn't take too long. As you can see, it's finished already. And it's made a cake out of a car, which is kind of crazy. But if you had the other aspect ratio, it would look better. But for it to come out this good, it's still good. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and on to the next video.